Howdy everybody. I'm going to talk a little bit about switches today, so let's get cracking. Switches are basically fancy ifs. If you have a lot of different things, a lot of different values that you could possibly have as your options. Let's say we have num underscore under here is test.1. So let's switch on that. So create a switch. So we switch on a value, and we have to surround all of our cases with the parentheses. So we have case, and let's say our case is here using our enum. Actually, let's change the name of this to cases. That make it even easier to know. Get rid of that line there. If we have cases dot one, and we put in break, and cases dot 2 break, and cases dot 3 break, and default. These give us the options of what we would actually do based on what the value is of number. So if case underscore 1, let me actually do a change over here in our player sprite. I want to edit the image, and we're going to fill this with white. And why am I doing this? Because by changing it into white, I can programmatically change the color of the player object when I draw it. So if you come over here, and if you are 1, then color underscore is equal to $000,000, so white, and case 2. Color underscore is equal to actually 0000 is black, so this would be white. And case 3, color underscore is equal to let's see, D4. I have no idea what that'd be. I think it's a gray, probably. Let's declare our color real quick. Color underscore is equal to $FFFFF. There we go. So then we come over here and we say draw underscore set underscore color underscore. This will let us set the color of everything that we're drawing. So whenever these values change, we could change our value of our color based on that. Otherwise, if the value is not equal to any one of these specific values, do this. Otherwise, do this. So this is kind of like the else of an if statement. So color is equal to $. I'm just going to say C underscore blue. That's a built-in color that is automatically in GameMaker. So let's give it a try, see what happens. So you can see our color is blue. And then when we loop back around, our color flashes to the other different values that we created. And it flashes so quickly that you can't really tell. So yeah, that should be our switches. We have the ability to switch on a variable, and depending on the value of the variable, then it will give us a different outcome. And you can put parentheses around these guys if you feel like it, but you don't actually need to. I tend to just do that. And that should work just fine as well. Just remember to put a break after every single case Otherwise, the values that you set here will be overwritten by this value, because if you don't put a break, it just goes all the way into the next value, the next case that you set up. And I think that's everything you need to know about working with switches. So thank you very much, and good luck with your programming.